It's JoJo.
It's Dylan.
And welcome back to Jake's Family TV. Today we have a new Hot Wheels set called the Power Shift Raceway. This is a very interesting set. Also, it has a motorized loop and jump. It's recommended ages 5 to 10. And it's also an action play set. The best thing about it is that it has 5 cars over here. And on the back, it says that it has a huge 15.5 inches, 39 centimeter loop. And also says on the back, motorized loop and jump. And let me explain how you can play with it. First, the car will go down to the green, go over here, and the booster will push the car to the loop. Then it will go to the U-shaped turn. Here it will come back from the U-turn and it will jump to the green area. And from the green area, the car will go fly to the air, go back, and continue the process. Are you ready to play with it?
Yeah.
Yep. Let's open it. So now we're done assembling and stickers and also taking our 5 cars out. Now I'm going to explain how to play while this whole play set is out. So the cars will start here in this green area. It's gonna go down to the loop. It's gonna go to the U-turn. It's also gonna jump back to the green. It's not going to really fly into the air, but it's gonna jump and continue the process. Also, what I noticed with the cars, if you start the car like this, if it jumps here, it's going to jump like this. So it's gonna go backwards. But if you start the car the other way, so backwards, and in the jump here, it's going to always go forward and it's going to continue back and forth. I'm the most excited person in this whole entire world to play with this. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yep. And now let's play. So the on and off button is here. The 2D batteries will go here. And now let's play. 3, 2, 1. Oh! My turn. Whoa, that's bad. What? Let's try out of your first one. That made me really dizzy. I didn't know what to focus on, so I felt a bit dizzy. We have to try to add a third card, baby. It works! Finally! Oh! And boom! Crash. This is very exciting to play with. Jade, which one's your favorite car? Oh, he doesn't have a favorite, I guess. So, do you like the yellow one? Yellow. No. You're good. Boom. Say hi. you enjoyed this amazing big set. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Comment down below what you want to see next, and goodbye!